Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. And in today's video, I want to share with you the top 3 affiliate marketing programs that you can cash in Digital Gold Rush today. Now, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe so I can provide more great content like this for you so you can keep getting educated and having more value in your business. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is one of the programs that I've used is a Super Affiliate Network. Now, what is a Super Affiliate Network? The Super Affiliate Network is actually a system that does high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, it's not like other high-ticket affiliate marketings where you rely on people after people after people. You actually rely on direct sales, okay? So if you sell a product, you get a commission. And I've been part of the Super Affiliate Network since 2016, and I am the top income earner in that company. And I can tell you it actually does work, and you can make income with it as long as you take action. Okay, that's the important thing. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is Power Lead System. Power Lead System is a great program, and this program is great, let's say, if you have no business or if you already have a business. Because if you already have a business, you can use this as a lead generation platform as a funded proposal. Having a funded proposal is very important because we want to utilize income in our business to keep advertising, to keep growing our list, so that way we could actually keep creating sales. Okay? This is what a funded proposal does. Inside a system like that, it creates income for you on demand. And the great thing about it is you get paid weekly. Unfortunately, most systems out there, they pay every 30 days. If you look at ClickBank or if you look at Warrior Plus, for example, those systems actually pay every 30 days. But with Power Lead System, we pretty much get paid every week. How does that sound, huh? Now let's talk about the other one that I left for last, and which is Amazon. Okay. Now this is a program as well because you can actually sell Amazon products. And the thing about Amazon as well, you need to make sure that you pick out the right products to sell. Okay. Even though Amazon does the closing for you and they're very good at that, okay, you still want to find a product that's in demand and they can actually sell. You can do some market research online, look at other video marketers on YouTube, like right here, and you can find out what they're selling and see what's in demand, and you can sell this exact same product and create video content and promote it by giving the value and the benefits of that product. Okay, so just a quick video today, guys, that I wanted to share with you is just 3 top affiliate marketing programs for you. You can cash in on the Digital Gold Rush right now. Just go on and take action. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on a new video very soon. Oh, wait a minute. One other thing. I left a link below this video to Power Lead System. Click on that link and get your 7-day free trial and get started and learn some great marketing stuff that you can cash in on the Digital Gold Rush as well. All right. My name is Rich Guzman, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on a new video very soon. Bye now.